Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably staring at that pesky error code F4 on your LG air conditioner and wondering how to get your cool air flowing again. Don't worry. I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step fix that could save you a service call. This error often points to issues like a faulty evaporator sensor or communication problems between the indoor and outdoor units, which is common in 2025 models. But before we dive in, remember safety first. Always unplug the unit to avoid any electrical hazards, and if you're not comfortable with DIY fixes, call a professional right away. First things first, let's reset your AC. Turn off the power at the circuit breaker for about 5 minutes. This can clear temporary glitches. Once it's off, plug it back in and turn it on. If the error persists, we're not done yet. Next, check the air filter. Dust and debris can cause sensor issues. Remove the filter, clean it with a soft brush or vacuum, and put it back. Make sure it's dry if you washed it. Now, inspect the evaporator coils. These are usually behind the front panel. Gently remove the panel and look for any frost buildup or dirt. If you see frost, the unit might be low on refrigerant, which means it's time to call an expert. While you're in there, ensure the sensor wires are securely connected, no loose ends. If that doesn't solve it, try running a diagnostic mode. For LG units, press the power and mode buttons simultaneously for about 3 seconds. Check your manual for the exact steps on your model. This can help identify if it's a sensor error. Alright, once you've gone through these steps, test the unit. If error code F4 is still showing, it might be a hardware issue, and you'll want to contact LG support or a certified technician. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning filters every month can prevent these errors in the future. Thanks for watching. I hope this fixed your AC woes. If it helped, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home fix tips. See you next time.